All right, we're gonna talk about line plots, okay? Line plots. And you're gonna see one here. I'm gonna move the camera just a little bit so it's a little bit easier to see. Okay, so this is a line plot. And basically, if I'm gonna explain what a line plot is, you have some information here on the bottom. In this case, it's the length of leaves in inches. So you can imagine that there were students in a science class and they went out to get leaves and they measured how long the leaves were in inches. So they got their rulers and they were measuring the leaves. And what they did was they put every measurement that could have been possible on this line. And so check it out. It goes from 2 inches and then 2 1/4 inches, then 2 1/2 inches, all the way to 6 inches. And so this is the line plot. Every time you see a dot, a dark dot, that means a student got that measurement. So 2 1/4 inches right here, there was only one student that got 2 1/4 inches because there's one dot above it. So that means there was one student who got that measurement of 2 1/4 inches. Same thing with 3 1/4 or 3 1/4, there was only one student because it shows me one dot. 4 inches, same thing, just one student got 4 inches. But check this out, 4 1/2 inches, we see 3 dots there. That means 3 students measured leaves that were 4 1/2 inches long. Then 2 students measured leaves that were 4 3/4 or 4 3/4 long. 1 student measured a leaf that was 5 1/4 inches. And then 2 students measured a leaf that was 5 1/2 inches long. So now we have all of these students marking down how long their leaves were. So a couple things we can do with this. First of all, we can see, well, how many total students or how many total leaves were measured? If I count all the dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, I can see that there are 11 dots. That means there were 11 leaves because 11 leaves got measured. I can see that the most common measurement was 4 1/2 inches because there's 3 there. The second most common was 4 3/4 tied with 5 1/2 because both of those got 2. Then we can see that 5 1/4, 4, 3 1/4, and 2 1/4, they all had 1 each. And then numbers like 2 1/2 and like 3 3/4 and 5 and other numbers, they didn't have any measurements. That means none of the leaves measured that amount. That's how you use a line plot. You basically have a line and underneath it are some values about how much of something you could have. And then the top, we put dots to see how many of that value there was. All right, if you want to check out this page in the book, it's your math textbook, page 169. 169. So look there if you want to check out this page and refresh your memory.